Ramirez and present, and I will briefly explain on our project. Basically, our project is about the school building.
The task that given to us in this project is to design a 4-story school building. This school is located at Kuantan, Pahang, or in other term we known as Zone 2. Well, this is the architectural drawing that provided by our client in order to design its structural drawings. In this project, we have used two methods to design the school, which is the SIM software and the manual calculation based on Eurocode 2. Furthermore, the loading adopted in this project is the dead load, live load, and also the wind load. Besides that, this is the plan view of the architectural drawing, whereas this is the plan view of the wind direction acting on the building. The reason why we choose the design choice because of economy of construction and material. Furthermore, to come out with right size for all the structure introduced. Furthermore, follow the standard requirement to avoid failure. Besides that, to fulfill serviceability requirement, which are deflection are adequately small, cracks or if any are kept to tolerate to its limit. Finally, in this project also we do make comparison between the estimate calculation and also the manual calculation in order to identify which calculation is most efficient and also systematic.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Saifullah Osman. I will explain about the staircase encoded of our my project.
Hi everyone, I can explain about staircase design. We using stair supported by landing. This is a famous design for using in the school. The stair design choosing because it is safe and suitable for study environment. We using the design 300 mm going 170 razor and the slab thickness is 100. The school can construct with 4 levels. The staircase can design in the ground floor, first floor, second floor and third floor only. After that, I can briefing about the column. We are design 300 plus 300 mm rectangular beam. The characteristic concrete strength using is 25 Newton per mm square and characteristic strength steel is 500 Newton per mm.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Misra binti Asfihan Manding. Now I will present about the frame analysis and the foundation of our project.
Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Okay, now I will proceed with the frame and foundation. Okay, first we will start with frame. As we know, in frame there are two types, which are base frame and unbase frame. For base frame, it only resists the particular load only, and it also resists by the shear wall and also the base load. For the unbase frame, it resists both vertical and horizontal, which it is designed to resist the lateral load such as the wind and seismic load. If you see the picture at the bottom, it shows the difference between the base and unbase, which if the horizontal load is imposed to the structure, it will give a small deflection. In unbased frame, the horizontal load that is imposed to the gradient of structure will give a large deflection. In this project, we choose to use the unbased frame analysis, which we need to consider the main load, the building that is located in the green area. To find the main load, we need to refer to the code of practice on main loading for building structure based on Malaysia standard. The result that we must get is the bending moment diagram. Next, we proceed to the foundation. In our project, we choose to use the thread method combined and also the contract. The moment that we take is calculated from the frame analysis, and the action load is considered when loads from the roof to the foundation. Here, it shows you the third foundation diagram, combined footing, and also the bracket. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Maidadil Akbar binti Yaakob. I will briefly explain about slab and beam of our project. Slab are horizontal plate elements forming floor and roof in buildings and normally carry lateral actions. There are two types of slab, which are one-way solid slab and two-way solid slab. For the first, second, third and fourth floor have the same design of slabs, means each floor has 26 spans of two-way solid slab and 15 spans of one-way solid slab. The design for the inner slab is 175 mm. The diameter of bar used is 8 mm. According to the materials, we use the good quality of the materials. At the same time, we make sure the project is economical. Reinforced concrete beam primarily is a structural member that resists lateral loading in bending, shear, torsion, and bond. The design of a reinforced concrete beam must comply with the ultimate and serviceability limit states. As the slab, beam also have two types, which simply supported beam and continuous beams. Continuous beams means when one that rests on more than two supports and a common element in situ construction. In our design, we use permanent load JK 1.5 kN per meter square and variable load QK 3.0 kN per meter square. For the material, characteristic strength of concrete FCK is 25 Newton per millimeter square and characteristic strength of steel FYK is 500 Newton millimeter square. The main bar we use is 20 mm, the secondary bar is 16 mm, and for the length diameter is 6 mm.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Fadila binti Shahran. I will going to present about the drawing of our project.
First of all, I'm going to show the floor key plan for beam. This is the floor key plan for ground beam, second floor beam, third floor beam, and the fourth floor beam, which is the roof beam. The difference between the ground beam and the roof beam is the roof beam does not have slab compared to the ground beam. This is one of the examples of the beam that we calculate and design in our project. For this example, we calculate the 5 spans of continuous beam. Next, we move on to column. Basically, this is the key plan of the column. It consists of the column from each floor including the stump. As example, the main bar of C1 5A column of the 4th floor to 3rd floor is 1812. Then, we are going to explore about the pad foundation. As we can see, this is the pad foundation key plan. For the pad foundation detailing, each pad foundation is classified into plan view, X view, and Y view. These are the example of X view and the Y view of the pad foundation. The drawing also consists of the foundation reinforcement schedule. With that, that's all for the presentation of our project. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like our group video. Thank you.